Hey, what's going on, guys? Scott here, and today I wanted to share this video with you because I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of people asking about what I'm doing online with affiliate marketing. And they want to know, is it possible to really make some money with affiliate marketing? And if so, am I the only one making money? Or can I show them that other people are also making good money in our program? So first, just to give you a little background, affiliate marketing is when you have a product that is not your own and you promote it to sell it to make commissions. So here, just to show you, there's a lot of companies out there if you're not familiar. You have things like ClickBank, you have JVZoo, you have Amazon, Walmart, you can become an affiliate. There's t-shirt companies, you can become an affiliate. But the program I'm involved in, and this is my #1 recommendation for affiliate marketing, and that's called Legendary Marketer. Now, there's a big reason why I chose to work with Legendary Marketer, and that's because you basically already have your product. Upon signing up and getting your club membership, you already have your products ready to sell for you. Now, the good thing about that is that you don't have to figure out all these different things on what am I going to do to promote it, how am I actually going to sell it, and how am I going to find something that people want to actually buy. Essentially, the program sells itself. All you need to do really is focus on driving traffic to your websites, generating leads when they opt in on your capture page, and the system basically does all the rest of the work for you. Now, just to show you, if you look at my screen here, I'm in our Legendary Marketer private Facebook group. This is what you get access to upon joining as a club member. And if we go right down here, I just want to show you some proof of a lot of people making some big time money with this company. If you look right here, look at the red dot there. This is David Sharp. He is the CEO, the founder of Legendary Marketer. Now, every time somebody makes a big time commission with our program, David Sharp is going to post it in our group, and it's going to be there to motivate and inspire everyone to keep grinding, keep hustling, and keep working hard, because that big money is out there for everybody. Now, if you look right down here, you see David Sharp congratulating somebody here on a $1,000 sale. We can go down a little bit. You see again, this is somebody else. You can see the photos to the right here. These are all different people. Another $1,000 sale. If we go down a little bit more, you got Joe here, another $1,000 sale. We keep going down a little bit more. Now you got this guy, Lee Maitland. This guy is a soldier. And if you look here, he's earned up to $8,000 in commissions from one sale, or two sales actually, $8,000. If you go down a little bit more, hey look, there's me and my family, and Scott Stanford is the name. Look, I made $3,200 on one sale. You keep going down, we got Kai Lowe here, $400 commission off of one sale. You can go down a little bit more. We got Nick Anderson and Kyle Lee Weber, aka the Run Guys, earning up to $1,000 commission. Now, as you can see, these guys, Jeff and Diane Digman, they earned $12,000 commission off of one sale. Now tell me that's not life-changing money. Now, let me just go back for a minute. I want to show you something else. Now, I've only been with this program just a little over 2 months. And if you look to the right here, this is all-time earnings. And I'm about $7,760.80. Now, that's in just over 2 months. And of course, you saw that one big sale of $3,200. But that's the type of things that are possible. Now, this is a very short time period to be making that kind of money. But I just got to tell you, if you plug into the system, you follow the training that's provided, once you become a club member, this can happen for you. And now I'm just like getting my feet wet here. I mean, I'm really just dipping my toes, but I'm still learning every day, implementing what I learn. And these are the type of results in just over 2 months that I have. Now, one of the best things when you get started with Legendary Marketer, as I said, all you got to do is plug into the training. You get some high quality training provided in your back office. And really what you need to do is sit there and absorb the training, learn exactly what you can to learn how to market online effectively via social media. Now, once you do that, you'll start generating leads. And after that, once you get customers into the system and you get club membership sales, it's $30 a month. Once you have people buying the club membership, they're actually going to get assigned a personal coach. Now, that coach is actually going to work with them on the telephone, and they're going to have scheduled calls periodically throughout the first set of training that they go through upon becoming a club member. And these big numbers, these big commission sales that you saw on Facebook here, the 8,000, the whole bunch of different $1,000 commissions, the 400s. Now, that's all from the coaches contacting your customers and closing these higher ticket sales for you. Now, that's the biggest recommendation that I have for Legendary Marketers. No other company is going to provide coaches that are actually going to close sales on your behalf. So as I said in the beginning, realistically, all you're doing is driving traffic to your affiliate links. You're capturing emails and names, and then they become a lead. And once any of your leads become a club member, then the coach is going to contact your club member on your behalf and try to upgrade them into these higher ticket packages. Now, again, this is world-class coaches. They are top professionals in sales and as mentors, and that is what everybody needs upon getting started in this type of business. For now, that's really all I have for you. I just wanted to show you the proof, show you that this does work. Legendary Marketer is a great company, and once you plug into the Facebook group, not only the support, but you have we have over 9,000, actually just cracked 10,000 members, and we're growing at a very rapid pace. So you got 10,000 other members. If you ever have a question, need help getting started, aside from your coach, you just post your question in the Facebook group, and other members are going to be right there by your side to help you with anything that you need. And I mean, it's really like a family style community. You really can't get much better than that. And so just know that once you get involved, you're never alone. So again, I want to just say thank you for watching. If you want to get started today, I'll leave a link for you in the description. For now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hit that bell notification so that way in future videos you can get notified when I share a new video. All right, again, thank you for watching. Hope all the best for you and your family, and peace and blessings to you. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.